your experience in the DA's office? How has that differed from what you might have thought it would be previously, or portrayals on TV? Any movies or TV shows that are similar or different?
Yeah, so it's a good question. I actually did mock trial for 5 years, so I was pretty comfortable in the courtroom, but had a very limited view of what the legal process was because all of my, fake experience was condensed into here's 1 2-hour trial and that's it. I had no idea that jury selection takes an entire day. I didn't know that almost every objection they go back, at least the trials, I was watching, they would go back into the judges' chambers for. The jury doesn't get to hear any of that, which is such a bummer because that's like my favorite part about trials is objection battles. But there was just so much paperwork and investigation and transcripting of videos, calls to DMVs, just all the stuff that goes on behind the scenes that I don't think is reflected in anything the public really has access to. I watch a lot of TV shows, like crime dramas and stuff. Right now, my favorite show is Bull. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's like a jury scientist thing, which is totally impractical. It's not real at all, but it's still fun to watch. And I still think that there's value in those shows because they humanize, I think, the district attorneys and the defense attorneys, the victims and the defendants, the jury members, the judges. All those people become more real in a sense, I think, than they do just locked up in the courtroom and somebody that you dread seeing either because you got in trouble or because you got a jury summons in the mail. So I still think there's value to TV shows, but they're definitely not reflective of what an actual trial looks like on a day-to-day basis.
Well, that's been very interesting to hear about. Criminal law is one area that I was considering back when I was thinking about law school, and I only know more of the media portrayal. So it's interesting to hear more about the behind the scenes.
Yeah, I'm hoping actually on my YouTube channel in the coming months to start doing some reactions. I've seen very few lawyers who are willing to do that, but I always find it fascinating. And so, especially because then, in 5 years, I can look back at my own video and be like, no, that's not how that works, Nicole. It'll be good laughing material for myself and probably lots of other people.
No, reactions are always fun. That'll be cool. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.